Hello my olives, today we're going to be tie-dyeing clothes. So I've been wanting to do this forever. I ordered a lot of white tracksuit sets. I thought I'd try and make some cute colourful little sets to wear. Got white tracksuit pants and then a white cropped hoodie. So I'm just going to start with the colour green because I want to make a green tie-dye set. I'm going to put some gloves on and we're going to test the colour first to see how dark it is. So I'm going to test it on some old towels first. Okay, so I'm going to use dark green first. We're using the brand RIT, by the way. Whoa, oh, we need something to stir it. Okay, so that's the colour. I think I want it a bit darker, so I'm going to add some more.
Add some more. Go for it.
Is this too much water? I feel like it's too much.
Yeah, I feel like it's too much too.
We got these cheap little, what do you call these? Syringe bottles. Pouring bottles from Hot Dollar. So we're going to use them to like squirt the dye onto the fabric. Also, we're outside by the way because my mum was like, you have to do it on the grass. Yeah, sorry, that was too much water. Don't put that much water. But I've got heaps of garments. Why are you getting so close?
Because you look cute.
So
do that again. Do
that's
that.
Darker.
Do that again. Do that again. Yeah.
See, so that's darker than previous.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll make the light green. So I'm going to do a dark green and a light green. This isn't really a tutorial because I've never done it before, so this is more of like an experiment. Oh, we have to put dishwashing liquid in. I don't know why, I don't know what it does, but maybe it's good for the fabric or something. Oh. So we've got the mixture for the dark green. For light green I chose the Kelly green. Shake, 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 shake. Whoa.
That's a lot of green.
Maybe this isn't loud enough. Oh, I'll add some yellow. Oh, this is the golden yellow. It's gonna go ugly, isn't it? See, now that's more of a like warm green, and then that's the dark green. Zigzag and just fold in the pants up. See what this gives us. Basically, you got to cover it in dye, so we're going to cover it in the two greens. This is way too much dye. This is too much. So just basically do half of this or even less. Now I want to make a tan kind of brown set. So yeah, I'm basically going to do the same thing I did with the green set, but use these two colours, the cocoa chocolate and the tan. So I've got a plain white hoodie and I'm going to try and make a colourful little hoodie with orange, pink and purple. Hey guys, so I filmed me tie-dyeing these pieces ages ago. It's been a while since I actually got to finishing this video. But they did take a while to dry and then hand wash and then dry again. I think I wasted a lot of time in the way I dried them. So what I would suggest for you is when you finish dyeing the clothes, just hang them out in your backyard or something flat, or on your washing line flat, and then leave it for at least a day. It doesn't matter if it's not dry, and then hand wash it and let it dry again. I'm not an expert, but I think that's the right way to do it. And then yeah, you just want to let the dye really sink into the clothing. I'll leave links down below if these pieces are still available. I got them mostly from factory, and I've been living in these because they're so warm. It's getting cold here in Sydney, and they're really good quality and just nice and thick. Anyway, we have the first piece that I dyed here, so the one where I put way too much green. I kind of wanted it to be more, you know, tie-dye and splotchy and have more white throughout it, and I kind of just covered the whole thing with green, but I still like it and I wear it a lot at home. The pants have more splotches than the top. The top, you know, it was my first go ever at tie-dyeing, so I didn't expect it to come out perfectly, but it's still cute, and you know I love green. It's got some light green and the dark green coming through. I thought the dark green would be a lot darker. So yeah, this is the first set. I'm going to try on the rest of them. Okay, we have the tan / dark red set here. And the colours didn't come out at all as I was expecting it to. It's very faint, it's very pastel, but I love it. It's kind of like a dark pink instead of brown. I actually didn't like it at the start, but now I do. Okay, next. So this yellow one is one of my favorites. However, when I was dyeing it, I accidentally splattered pink onto it. So there's a couple like pink splotches, but it's not too noticeable. So yeah, it's the same style as the previous two. I like that it has quite a lot of white and it's very subtle, just a nice light yellow. Okay, next. Alright, so I've showed you all the sets. I think this is on backwards. Okay, it's on the proper way now. So I showed you all the sets I did, and now I've just got 3 separate jumper pieces. So I did just the pink and white one. I like the style of this one. It's like oversized and it's not super cropped, but it's got that elastic band at the bottom. Yeah, this is just cute and pastel-y and simple. And with this hoodie, I tried to do the method where you kind of spiral it from the middle so it makes like a whirly kind of dye, but it kind of failed. Like you can kind of see I tried, but I just used the dark green and then left it white. I haven't worn this one as much because I wish it was a bit more oversized, and it's not super thick, it's kind of thin. But next, the colors didn't turn out how I planned for this one, but it's still cute. It's got the orange, pink and purple. I wanted the pink and purple to be super like saturated and dark and rich, but you know, it's a learning process. This was my first time tie-dyeing. This is a men's hoodie. I got a small, but I should have got a large because I like things oversized and baggy, and it's not that, I don't know. I just wish it was baggier. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little DIY vlog video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what videos you want to see from me. Thanks for watching, guys.